Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you an easy way to activate your M&S credit card via the M&S banking app. So you should set up your app first. Of course, you need to download it and register for digital banking. So once your app is set up, and here's how to activate your card. First is you should select your M&S credit card account, then choose manage card. After that, just select Activate Card and follow the simple instruction that is prompted to your screen. But if you don't want to use the application or internet banking, you can also call on their hotline activation line. You will need your M&S credit card in front of you. So have the card details ready before calling, then call this number right here, which is the 0800 0044. And that is all. You can now readily use your card once it's activated.